Good morning. Sunday morning. What you seeing in front of me is the shade. My hubby's putting it up. Yep. Well, it's on the other side right now. He did that side there. And he tied up that side. Now I think it's going to pull one of this end here. There's the kitty cat. There he is. He's coming. I think he's going to connect the other two ends from the post that he put up. As you know, we have the trees cut down. As a matter of fact, three, just one. Because I have two that been, one is cut down and the other one trim them, you know. Pretty soon you will see the guy who put them up. Well, it happens also that it's so sunny and a little shade from the sun para i-block niya yung sun. Yeah, yun yung aking backyard na halos inaayos din niya pagkatapos magkaroon ng bagyo dito. Nabagsakan yung aming garahe, nabutas siya rin ang kumumpuni, puno ng kapitbahay at our own expense. Okay, so sinundan ng pagputol ng malaking puno namin dito sa backyard kasi may katandaan na at plus baka na naman mangyari ang bagsak nun hindi na garage, detached garage kasi ako, so kaya doon tatamaan siya doon. Ako dito tatamaan yung bahay ko, babagsak ang puno. And sa nakita naming hirap galing sa kapitbahay doon sa garage na bumagsak, nabutas yung bubong, baka nabagsakan ng trees, baka mangyari dito sa bahay malaking danyos, malaking trabaho. So Daddy, where are you? He's not hiding. Inaayos lang niya. Meron siyang post na ibinaon doon, you know, like post talagang permanente. Iwas init tayo, wala kaming puno dito malamig ang magiging hangin. Alam mo naman dito sa Amerika, hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, yung init nabablock mo, pero yung hanging mainit, paano pa mabablock yun? Mainit nga, pero at least hindi mainit sa balat. Kaya meron din kinabit doon sa Pilipinas na ganito. Iyaano ko, i-popost ko din dito.